Revolutionize your Blender workflow with ultimate AI-powered plugin manager designed for professionals. Whether you're an animator, modeler, or VFX artist, Fusion Hub Pro brings power, control, and efficiency to your fingertips. Let's dive in. Getting started is effortless. Simply register with your email, set a password, and activate your license key. Already have an account? Sign in with one click and unlock your personalized dashboard. Fusion Hub remembers your preferences, so you're always ready to create. Choose the plan that fits your needs. Enjoy a free trial with full access. No credit card needed. Unlock advanced plugins like Fusion Cam Pro and Layer Manager for seamless workflows. Ultimate plan. Get everything, including Fusion Render Manager and AI-powered tools for unmatched productivity. Navigate like a pro with Fusion Hub's intuitive tabs. Add-ons. Instantly enable, disable plugins tailored to your plan. Download and install. Access the latest tools with a single click. Updates are automatic. Tutorials. Master every feature with guided videos and docs. Blender Smart Focus Mode to boost performance by disabling non-Fusion add-ons, while AI suggestions recommend plugins based on your scene. Meet your AI assistant, your secret weapon for smarter workflows. It analyzes your scene and suggests plugins in real time. Working with cameras, Fusion Cam Pro automates cinematic shots. Managing complex layers, the Layer Manager organizes everything. Need physics? The AI recommends Fusion Flow for simulations. It's like having a Blender expert by your side. Offline mode support. Even if you're offline, your tools stay activated. No interruptions. Activate once, use forever, online or offline. Exclusive feature, Fusion Hub, lets you directly install and activate any zip or Pi add-on with a clean UI. No need to manually unzip or copy files. It's your one-stop plugin manager for both Fusion and third-party tools. And now, Auto Plugin Installer, the future of workflow, is in your hands. Need help? Our 24/7 support team is just a click away. Get real-time notifications about updates, expirations, and more. Ready to transform your Blender experience? Download Fusion Hub Pro today at fusionart.net and join thousands of artists working smarter, not harder. The future of 3D workflow starts here.
Get it now, link in bio. Do not forget to subscribe for new upcoming Blender Addons.